Hello everyone, today we have Sarah here from Fossa. Fossa has been using DevRev MCP a lot with some amazing use cases, and Sarah here is going to showcase us one of the use cases that she's been excited about. So, Sarah, can you tell me more about the use case here?
Yeah, certainly. We encounter a lot of highly technical issues where maybe we are needing to review the source code and uh, maybe run commands, try reproducing things in a very specific environment. So it's not always possible that an AI response can be effective just from the ticket contents itself. Sometimes a lot of debugging needs to happen first. And so one of the things we do is use Claude Code with the DevRev MCP to investigate and maybe help us come up with a ticket for our engineering team. So
Wow,
I've typed in this bit here and it's going to start investigating. Let's see if it sends. Now, uh, don't search this resource directly.
wow, that's amazing. So basically, here what you're doing is that you're doing a tool call for getting the context of that ticket,
Mhm.
and as soon as you get that context, you would be doing something on top of that. So yeah.
Exactly. So here it's going to review about the database performance issues. And it looks like there are some queries that are taking a very long time. This one is 7 seconds, but this one is a 13-minute query that's running. So it looks into the issue and is saying here are the potential causes for it and some optimization strategies. We're going to say, can you review the source code to find the source of the query? And so it's going to just continue thinking about this. And I think right now it's writing a comment to leave on the ticket. But after doing that, it'll start reviewing the source code and see if it can find the place in our application where the query is being called. So here you can see it left a comment explaining, just synthesizing this kind of hard to understand ticket into something that is a little more comprehensible and structured.
Yeah, and I
And
love that. And you're able to do this because your Claude code is, assuming, connected to your code base, and that's why it's quickly able to review the code internally and share more context about it.
yeah, exactly. I have this little workspace repository that has a subdirectory for vendor directories, and in there I have all of our applications.
Wow, I love that. This is amazing. So I'm assuming post this step, uh, maybe you are the person who, the support person who are going to take care about this, or maybe there are some other support people who are going to take care. So basically, they are now getting a really good summary of like what are the next steps that have to be taken, and they can quickly take that. They don't have to go deep dive into code. Maybe they would want to, but like at least they'll get which source code they have to look into. And yeah, I think like this will also help them to answer the customer back in a better way, and also I think quickly, so that the resolution of ticket is also reduced. The time of resolution of this ticket is also reduced. And yeah, I think this is an amazing use case for the MCP.
Yeah, absolutely. I'd say that it's really instrumental. Like, it hasn't made it that we are more competent. It's not out here solving tickets for us. But I think the real value in using AI in our support workflow is the ease of research. Before, I might need to jump around 20 different places in the code base trying to find the relevant bit of code, maybe consult with a couple of engineers who are more familiar. Now, in what, 5 minutes we've been talking, and I have this comment where exactly in our code this is coming from and generating these queries.
And I love that. Like, and I think that context itself is like going to help you a lot to solve this customer query. I love this use case, Sarah, and I think we would be able to make more use cases possible with our remote MCP also coming in. Uh,
No.
Excited to work with you.
Looking forward to it as well. I'm anxious to play with the new toys.